So, mission accomplished. I got to the end of this trail at Crescent Beach, and I've walked as far as I can at high tide. I imagine at low tide I can even walk all the way the other side. Yeah. And yeah, that would have been a great walk. It's about 20 minutes walk, and there's no trail, just walking on the beach. From if you walk past, if you turn left from Beecher Place and you get to the end of the trail and you walk on the beach, you start walking on the beach, go all the way to the end, and somewhere midway you'll come across a big rock that has a sign that says Nude Beach. And if you walk past that, you get to this end of the trail where at high tide there's nowhere else to go. But I imagine low tide I can go all the way there. It's a beautiful day. A great day to be out. There's no rain. It's about 8 degrees Celsius. You have your jacket on, you'll be fine. In fact, I'm just wearing my shorts today. It's not that cold. So it's I'm hoping to catch more wildlife, but all I see this morning are the usual seabirds. There's a big flock of them out there. I have seen a ton of oysters everywhere. You can just literally pick and scoop them off the ground here. I don't know if they're safe to eat. Probably not. I know that in BC you have to have a specific license. It sucks, but you get, it just protects everyone. Right? So I'm gonna start heading back. I've been walking since 7 this morning. Really slow walk, because how can you walk past such a beautiful place? Oh, I'm gonna try to bring a rock home with me, something small if I leave. See if I can find a good one. Here's a good one. Oh, this one. Let me see if I can clean this off. There you go. Oh, I almost got wet there. Woo. There you go. Yeah, dead crabs. Lots of oyster again. Fresh oyster. Right. Let me see. I think this one's been consumed. I think this one's, see? This one's, there's this one. There's a lot. A lot of oysters, a lot of seabirds. I saw a seal. It's playing in the water. It's gone now. That's about it. Hoping to see more. Fishing boat just passed us by. Yeah, it's hard to live anywhere else once you've grown up in the lower mainland. I've lived here for 15 years. It's hard because you get used to the beauty of nature. You can wake up in the morning and hike on the water like I did, or hit the local mountains. Oh, here's a nice spot. Somebody really took the time to build this place up. Huh. Nice. Oh, so you can set up a tent there